What if anyone could create and experience immersive content with the power of AI, from designing lifelike products to crafting expansive game environments and reimagining architectural spaces, plus endless more possibilities? Introducing VRIN 3D by Rebuilder AI, the ultimate platform for 3D creation. With VRIN's photo to 3D technology, transforming a simple image into a realistic 3D model is as easy as snapping a picture. In less than 3 minutes, the AI captures every texture, every intricate detail, and creates compact, versatile files that are ready for use in popular software like Unreal, Unity, Blender, and more. Need captivating video content? VRIN's 3D to video feature automatically generates high-quality promotional videos tailored to 3D product models. Plus, by using VRIN's web GPU-based renderer, users can even create dynamic short-form videos seamlessly, without needing to install any additional software. Furthermore, users can experience a new level of realism with VRIN's 3D viewer, where dynamic lighting and hyper-realistic textures bring 3D models to life, allowing users to explore creations from every angle for an immersive experience that feels like the products are right in front of them, anywhere and anytime. And for users who need even more control, VRIN's intuitive web editor allows for the fine-tuning of every detail of your 3D models, from lighting and shadows to textures and rendering options. In fact, by using the built-in 3D styler, users can effortlessly transform models into any style they desire, all with a click thanks to the power of AI. But VRIN's AI solutions are designed to meet the needs of every creator. Whether in fashion, architecture, gaming, or e-commerce, VRIN's versatile platform makes it simple to scan, model, edit, and create immersive experiences, all without the need for expensive hardware or complex computer-aided design software. And with VRIN's image-based 3D scanning, anyone can create a 3D model simply by taking photos with a smartphone, meaning no specialized equipment or expensive 3D scanners are required. Just a phone, a few clicks, and the power of Rebuilder's artificial intelligence. From the entertainment industry, where virtual and real-world 3D content creates an unprecedented level of immersion, to e-commerce, where 3D product experiences are redefining online shopping, VRIN 3D is transforming how anyone anywhere creates and consumes content across industries. So click the link below to discover the future of immersive 3D creation today with Rebuilder's VRIN 3D, and rebuild your reality.